Kantata has allowed me to build a more structured and scalable system. Kantata has changed the day-to-day operations immensely. Previously, everything seemed a little bit disjointed. We were leveraging and leaning on other tech stack tools to kind of find the solution, the answer. However, Kantata has really set the expectation and the standard within our organization at FullFunnel. For my team, I believe that Kantata reduces bottlenecks, maximizes our project effectiveness, and allows us to streamline scalable templates and processes, but also allows me to onboard and organize all projects within the same cadence and same structure. Having a single source of truth really is what I thrive on within Kantata specifically. It really does allow me to not only keep everything organized, but just definitely stay diligent within our excellence and our standards. I would say that right now about 80 to 89% of our projects are now delivered on time and on budget with the support of Kantata. With our daily processes and templates, we are allowed to stay a little bit more organized, a little bit more diligent in tracking how these projects are performing. I have seen improvements on client retention because of how effectively are we delivering things. And in the world of project management, resource management is definitely, right there hand in hand. And I do believe that Kantata's resource center is one of the best in the game. Resourcing and allocations are my day-to-day. I use the resource center like it's the back of my hand. I really do enjoy managing people and process. Within the resource center, it definitely gives me a great view on not only our broader team capacity, but the user level, billability and utilization within the system. It definitely allows me to live resource. We do have the ability to kind of see everything all in one place and effectively pivot as needed. I do believe that its functionality, its constant evolution and ever-evolving roadmap of, hey, what's next? And everything that it's doing to stay up with current times and AI is definitely a huge attribute. I would definitely recommend Kantata to anyone in the professional services industry and any executive leaders. I do see extreme value in the tool on the day-to-day basis, not only in project management, but in financial performance, visibility, and also keeping teams organized and diligent.